my name is Marco, and today we want to show you how to configure and how to assemble the Pyra LED Traffic Light. First of all, I have to say that we have two standard versions which are already assembled and installed. These are traffic lights in the, let's say, standard combinations of green and red color, and furthermore the traffic light with the green, yellow and red color. But what we want to show you today is that you can individually configure all the options that you need for your application. What do you need for it? First of all, I present you here some housing, some pre-configured housings of 2 modules, 3 modules or 4 modules. So you can easily switch whatever you need for your application. In these housings you can put in the modules that you need. This I want to show you here on the other side. First of all, we have different colors, for example the green, yellow and red color, which you can put in your traffic light. But furthermore, we also have the option to install the sounder for it. So if you need it for your application, the sounder is also an option. For all these colors, I have to say that these are LED colors, and you can choose which kind of signaling modus you want to use. So you can use the continuous light, the blinking light and the flashing light. And furthermore, you can also check out which frequency you need for this light, individually for all the colors. For the sounder, you also have the option to choose between the different tones that we have in our assortment for the sounder, and on top of that you also can choose the loudness of the sounder. So now let's see how we can assemble these kind of traffic lights. For this I would like to use the housing with the 4 parts for 4 modules, and now we want to install this. So now I finished the assembly of the traffic light, and yeah, now let's check if it really worked and if I did everything in a good way. So for the green light I tried to have some continuous light. Let's check if this worked. Yes, looks good. For the yellow light I tried to have a blinking light. This also works. And for the red light I tried to install or to configure a flashing light. Also this works. The sounder I didn't, let's do not test this one as it would be far too loud, but of course it would also be possible to individually have the sounder as an option, or to also combine it with any color that you want to use. So combination, or simply use the sounder itself. So everything worked. It took me around 2 to 3 minutes, and yeah. For further information, please check our website. You will find the QR code in a minute at the bottom. And yeah, if you like this video, please follow our YouTube channel.